Hi, welcome to our PropNext Digital Month. My name is Alethea Xiao and I'll be taking you through South Beach Residences today as your host. So without further ado, let's begin. South Beach Residences is situated in the heart of downtown core. It is about 376,000 square feet of land, flanked by mainly 4 roads, which is Middle Road, Nicoll Highway, Beach Road, as well as Bras Basah Road. So over here at the heart of downtown core, with South Beach Residences situated in a very good location, we are actually seated at the intersection where we're overlooking the Singapore Grand Prix circuit of the F1 race. So this is one of the closest points that you can get to see the F1 race up close. Furthermore, we are also flanked to 2 MRT stations. Mainly, we have City Hall Interchange as well as Esplanade MRT. So at City Hall Interchange, you will be able to find the Northwest line as well as, the North-South line as well as the East-West line. And at Esplanade MRT, you will have the Circle line. Of course, at within this location, you will also be able to have direct access to 2 shopping centres, which is Suntec City Shopping Centre as well as Raffles City Mall. On top of that, we are also very well connected through our underground pedestrian network, which is what we call the UPN. So how does the UPN look like? This is how it will look like underground. So over here, we are able to see a URA map that will show you how it is actually well connected, and you can see the underground pedestrian network by the orange lines. So you can tell that, through the orange lines here, you'll be able to see a direct link way to Esplanade MRT, to City Hall MRT, and of course, you'll be able to access to Raffles City, and if not towards Guaco Midtown, as well as Suntec City as well. So with this underground pedestrian network, you will also be able to find it in the Raffles Place and Shenton Way and Marina Bay area. However, one of the main differences is that living in the downtown core area, you will be able to actually have a 7-day work, live, play lifestyle compared to the Central Business District. The main reason for this is because you will be able to have access to food and beverage outlets as well as shopping malls that operate 7 days a week rather than a 5-day work week. So this is the overview of South Beach Residences. It is mainly designed, collaborated together with Fosters and Partners as well as ADAS. So Fosters and Partners is a very well-known international architect. Some of their past developments that they have done includes Capella Hotel as well as Raffles Hotel. So here at South Beach Residences, we have 190 exclusive units, and it's also seated on top of JW Marriott Hotel, which is also one of the 5-star hotels over here. Furthermore, we also have restaurants, cafes, coffee houses, and last but not least, we also have our Grade A office tower. One unique feature about South Beach Residences is also our microclimatic canopy, which I'll be touching on in just a bit. South Beach Residences is an award-winning integrated development. They have won about 7 awards to date. The latest award would be the BCA Platinum Green Mark Award. And for a development to attain such award is not an easy one, because there are a few components that will add on to see whether a development would be able to win in this category. So some of its key features would be its urbanism development as well as its climatic features that adds on to the development, and I'll be touching some of this in a short bit. Okay, so more on the development in terms of its architecture and some of the history that goes behind it. This is actually an article from the Straits Times talking about how South Beach Residences is actually built on green foundations. So looking at this article, it actually shares on South Beach being incorporated 4 different conservation sites, which would 3 of them belongs to the former Beach Road Camp, and the 4th one would be our former NCO club. So they have actually collaborated for these 4 sites to be incorporated in South Beach Residences. Furthermore, the developer architect wanted South Beach to be built on green foundations, where it would actually be built based on Singapore's climate as well as the urban context in the city. So out of all the infrastructure and the architecture of the building, there are actually 6 elements that would be the main highlight of this building. So some some of it includes the glass facade, our solar panels that help to reduce your energy consumption. We also have what we talked about, our microclimatic canopy. So this would be the very first development would have such a feature. This microclimatic canopy is about 280 meters long, and it actually functions as a wind catcher, where it will help to actually bring in ventilation and wind flow within the development, and of course provide shading up to about 57%. We also have other features that would actually help to reduce your water consumption, and as well as sky terraces to allow cross ventilations of wind to circulate the air as well. So if you have not been to South Beach before, I really highly recommend you to visit our site, as even for the public, as you're walking through our South Beach Avenue, you will feel that it's such an ease because of this, the comfortable ease that you have, that you counter Singapore's humidity, and it also provides shelter, but of course very good wind flow throughout the entire microclimatic canopy as well. Here at South Beach, there are mainly two towers. The first tower would be our Grade A office building. Second tower would be our South Beach Residences as well as JW Marriott Hotel. JW Marriott Hotel is definitely no stranger to us. It is one of the well-renowned 5-star hotels in the city, and it is actually just below our South Beach Residences. So at JW Marriott Hotel, we have about 634 hotel rooms, together with our Grand Ballroom, which is featured right here. So JW Marriott Hotel and the Grand Ballroom is actually designed by a well-known French designer called Philippe Starck. Philippe Starck has actually designed many iconic furniture pieces as well as sanitary fittings, and collaborated with one of the high-end companies around the world. So if you see this picture here, this Grand Ballroom, actually I believe many of you would have saw on the internet. It is not only very grand on its own, but has also a very unique design with about 11,500 drop-down lighting pieces from a 12-meter high ceiling. So Philippe Starck is very well known to turn a boring space into a memorable one, so that folks like you and I will always remember for life. Next would be our South Beach Avenue. South Beach Avenue would be our F&B outlets as well as the restaurants, and you'll be able to find well-known restaurants and cafes like Lady M, Starbucks, Madam Fun, Harry's Bar, the Beach Road, the South Beach Restaurant, and many more F&B outlets. So whether you're an occupier or resident or even a visitor in the vicinity, do come by to South Beach Avenue to dine at our F&B outlets, because you will be spoiled for choice. Last but not least, we also have our South Beach Tower, which is our Grade A office building. At our Grade A office building, you'll find very large floor plates for offices to lease, and some of the well-known companies in this building will also be Lego, Expedia, Boeing, and many more companies as well. So in this area, we find that a lot of the tech companies like to have their offices here at South Beach, mainly because of its dynamic lifestyle that it's able to offer with its 7-day work, live, play environment. So this is an overview of how the South Beach looks like with our various components. So you can see this picture is actually our night view, and at the bottom here there are some explanatory infographics to show you how the different components of like our former Beach Road Camp, the conservation houses, our South Beach Avenue look like from an aerial view. So here at South Beach Residences, we still have several units available, as we only have 190 exclusive units and about 105 different layouts. Do not worry, this 105 layouts is mainly because of the infrastructure of the building, as you're able to see that from the bottom going upwards to the 45th floor, it is starting from a wider floor plate and a slightly smaller floor plate. So if you do like to find out more information on our unit plans and prices, do consult any of your PropNex consultants, and they'll be able to provide you more in-depth information as well. At South Beach Residences, on one floor we have a really large floor plate, so you'll be able to find either 9 or 10 different neighboring units, and some of these units will also have its own private lift as well. So our unit distribution here is actually a very good one, as we offer bedroom sizes starting from the 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom and penthouses. So if you'd like to find out more information, do contact any of your PropNex consultants to get more in-depth information. So now I'm bringing you through some of our key facilities. Our facilities are mainly found on 3 levels. We have it on basement, our 2 sky terraces, and on our sky terraces on level 22 or if not level 32, you'll be able to find our infinity pool, as well as our reading room, and lastly, our arrival lobby. So here at our arrival lobby, you will be able to also be greeted by the concierge services, which is the signature residential host services. These signature residential host services are all hotel trained staff, where they'll be able to provide you anything from your parcel delivery to your wet weather service to booking of facilities or even your moving in and out arrangements. Finally, apart from all these facilities, we also have a children's pool, a children's play area, our gym, outdoor dining, and as well as lounge areas for you and your guests to enjoy. Not forgetting, we also have 2 function rooms where you'll be able to entertain your guests and your family members that can cater up to about 20 persons seated down with full-fledged kitchen appliances ready for your own personal use, or if not, get one of our residential host services to arrange a private chef to cook up a storm for your guests and your family. Now here's the exciting part where you'll be able to see the main panoramic views of South Beach Residences. Over here, you are not shortchanged. In fact, you will have a hard time deciding which view would be the best view, because here at South Beach Residences is one of the only few integrated developments that really offers you an unobstructed panoramic views of the best skylines in Singapore. So over here, we are mainly looking out at 3 different views. We have the Orchard view, Marina view, as well as the Padang view. And of course, if you see the far end of the picture, you will be able to see an unobstructed view of the Singapore Grand Prix race, and you also would be seated in your own comfort of your home overlooking the entire event. Not only that, over here at South Beach Residences, you will also get unobstructed views of the water view, greenery and the city skyline. And one of the main important features about South Beach is that we are not only overlooking Singapore's main city skyline, but we are also in the area where we are able to be part of the defining factor of the city skyline. Moreover, we are also seated at the intersection where history meets modernity with so many iconic monuments just within our reach. So I really do hope that you'll be able to have the opportunity to visit us at South Beach Residences, because this is really one of your trophy collections that you will have the opportunity to own. Now I'll be sharing with you our fly-through video of the development. When you watch the video, you will have a very good sense and overview of the development, and I'm sure that it will excite you. It will make you want to visit and find out more of the development.
To the world, this is Singapore's skyline. But to a few, it's the view from your window. It's a home that befits the heights you scale, towering above landmarks. Your trophy home beckons. Here, there's no place for the ordinary, where your needs are satisfied and indulgences are fulfilled. Come raise the bar. South Beach Residences, icon to many.
Welcome back. I hope that you enjoyed our fly-through video. I'm sure that it has now excited you as much as it did for me. So over here at South Beach Residences, we are coming to the end of our slides, but before we go on, just to give you an overview, we have already sold about 90% of our units, but not to worry, we still have good choices of units for you to take a look. Furthermore, South Beach Residences offer very good and unique layouts where it is very rare to find in the market. With our large format units and panoramic views, I'm sure it will not disappoint you. Currently, there's an ongoing 20% discount from the developer. If you wish to find out more on our unit selection, prices, or even visit our show units, do contact any of your PropNex consultants and they'll be able to make the arrangements for you. Without further ado, thank you so much for tuning in to our PropNex Digital Month. My name is Alethea. Thank you for your time.